Honestly, how many times have you looked up at your dirty popcorn ceiling and said to yourself, this just has to go? Well, my name is Juan with 518 Painters, and today I'm going to show you exactly what we do to get rid of your old dated popcorn ceiling. Now, this project was in Mechanicsville, New York, and this house was built in the late 90s, so luckily there's no asbestos we have to worry about. The first thing we do is protect the floor. Now, for this project, we're using builder's paper, which is perfect for catching any debris that's falling off the ceiling. It's very important that we cover everything because it could get very messy, and this is just going to make it so much easier to clean up later. Next, we're going to protect the walls. Since we're not painting them, I'm using a delicate surface tape to prevent any damage to the existing paint. Now, although you can't always guarantee that the paint is not going to peel whenever you remove the tape, this tape is designed to at least reduce the risk of it happening, and it's a simple but important step that we like to take just to make sure that the job comes out neat and professional. Once everything is covered, it's time to remove the popcorn ceiling. Luckily, this ceiling has never been painted before, which makes the removal much easier. We're using a drywall sander with a vacuum attached for this job. Not only does this setup speed up the process, but it also minimizes the dust and keeps the workplace much cleaner. Now, if the popcorn ceiling had been previously painted, we'd probably use a different method for this. Most likely, we'd spray it and soak it with water and then scrape everything off by hand. Now, each method depends on the condition of the ceiling, so it's always important to assess that before starting. After removing the popcorn ceiling, we take a close look at the surface and look for any imperfections or damages. If we find any damages or cracks, we'll go ahead and use some joint compound to fix those areas, and then we move to the next step, which is priming. Priming is very important because not only does it seal the drywall, but it also creates a smooth surface and it ensures that the paint will properly adhere to it. Now, after priming, we finish off with 2 coats of sealing paint that gives it a nice, fresh, clean look.